So hello guys, in today's video we are going to see 4 amazing tips and tricks for Google Map. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. While using Google Maps on Android, we found a unique feature that allows you to add Maps shortcuts right on the home screen. With home screen shortcuts, you no longer need to open the Google Maps app, search for the location, and find the turn-by-turn direction. You need to tap on the home screen shortcut to get the direction immediately. First of all, head to the Google Play Store and install the latest version of Google Maps. Open the Google Maps app and find the location that you want to create a shortcut for. Once done, tap on the Directions option. You need to tap on the 3-dot menu icon and select Add Route to Home Screen. You will see the new home screen widget. Just tap on the Add Automatically button. Now move to the home screen, and you will find the new shortcut. Tap on the shortcut to get the turn-by-turn direction to the location. Google Maps allows you to send your location to coordinate meetups with friends or family members. First of all, open Google Maps on your Android smartphone. Now you need to tap on your profile icon located in the upper right corner. Now tap on the Location Sharing option. Google Maps will now provide you an introduction. Just tap on the Share Location button. On the next screen, set the time duration to share the location info. Next, select the contact with whom you want to share the location. Once done, tap on the Share button. Google Maps will show the status for that contact from now on. If you want to stop the location sharing, then tap on the Stop button. Rarely do car trips consist of going from point A to point B. More often, they are something like a to cafe to library to Joe's house to B. It's a good thing Google makes it possible to anticipate real trips. To add multiple destinations in the Google Maps mobile app, enter your starting point and your ultimate destination and then click the 3 dots in the top right corner. This will prompt a pop-over menu with the option to Add Stop. Click that and you can add a route with multiple stops. You will even have the option drag and drop stops within your itinerary. If you've always got Google Maps navigation open while you're driving or walking, you can add music to your trip without leaving the app. Sync music apps such as Spotify or Apple Music by opening the menu and navigating to Settings, Navigation, and then either Music Playback Controls on iOS or Show Media Playback Controls on Android to sync a music app. Once you do, a pop-up to your app of choice should appear as you're driving for a quick tap to get your music started. Be sure to make your playlist beforehand so you can keep your eyes on the road. So, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below.